Now come to 10th sum of exercise 10.3. This sum is by splitting the following figure into rectangle, find the areas. Now measure the area in centimeters. So see, this figure we are given. In this figure we are given the rectangles. When we join the points, these points, then we get the rectangles. Now for this rectangle we are having the point, this whole side is 4. The following rectangles gives us the points 4, 2. Then by splitting this rectangle we are having the points 3, 3 and 3, and this rectangle having point 1, 2. Then again the rectangle having point 3, 3. Now see beta, when we find the area of first rectangle, area of first rectangle, it's equal to area of rectangle. We know that length into breadth, so it is 4 into 2 is equal to 8 centimeter square. Now this is the first figure. Now it is second. Area of second figure, area of second rectangle. Now here length and breadth are equal, so it is 3 into 3, we get 9 centimeter square. Now area for third rectangle, area of third rectangle. In this rectangle we are having length 2 and breadth is 1, so we get 2 into 1 is equal to 2 centimeter square. Now come to next one. In the next fourth part, this is the third and this one is the fourth. Area of fourth rectangle, we are having 3 into 3 is equal to 9 centimeter square. Now this is the parts of the figure. Now area of whole figure, whole given figure, is equal to, add all the terms, we are having 8 plus 9 plus 2 plus 9, whole is centimeter square. 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 2 is 19, and 19 plus 9 is 28. 28 centimeter square is the area of first question. Now come to B part. In the B part we are given this figure, and in this figure we are having the sides 5, 3, 1, 1. Now see, we are having this figure and we have to divide into rectangles. When we divide the rectangles, we are having this portion. This portion we are having beta. Now in this portion we are having the rectangles. We divide the rectangle in this way. When we divide the rectangle, then it is 3 and this is 1. Then again this is 3. This portion is 3. Then it is also 1. It is also 1. So in this portion we are having 1, 1, and this one is also 3. Now we are having 3 rectangles of same measurement. So area of given region, given figure, area of given figure is equal to, we are having 3 into area of rectangle, area of rectangle. Now area of rectangle is length into breadth, and length into breadth is 3 into 1 centimeter square. We are having 3 into 3 is equal to 9 centimeter square. This is a B part of 10th sum of exercise 10.3.